Why are you sitting on all those toys? You're so funny. Look at all these toys that you've got. What's that about?
Trying to hatch them.
Are you proud of yourself? Oh! Forget that one. Well, if I had known your high chair would be your favorite toy, could have saved a lot of money. You got it figured out?
She hooks herself up. I'm gonna.
She's just